All right, this one's for beginners and maybe people that don't feel that they benefit from speed work or just need a change up from speed work and don't want to obviously do it 52 weeks of the year. I have like three good solid options that you can replace dynamic effort with if you feel like you need a break from it or just want to change things up. First option, you're going to do, and this is straight from Louis Simmons' mouth, 6 by 6. 6 sets, 6 reps. However, the easiest way to go about it is start off with roughly 70% of your 1 rep max, 6 sets of 6. Do all the sets with the same weight. If the weight is too easy, bump it up next week and just progress from there. I know J.M. Blakely has a similar protocol, 4 sets of 6, and then on your 5th set, you get 4 reps, and on your 6th set, you get 3 reps. Keep doing that until you can get 6 sets of 6 across the board. But the progression is up to you. But end of story, do 6 sets of 6, roughly around 70% of your 1 rep max, and then build up from there. My number 2 option is to do 6 sets of 6 and then gradually move towards 6 sets of 8 and then 6 sets of 10. Louis Simmons has a protocol where you do 6 sets of 6, 8 sets of 8, and 10 sets of 10 in like a 3-week wave. I've tried that, but the volume just, I don't know, it just ramps up crazy. It goes from 36 reps to 64 reps to 100 reps using the same weight all in a 3-week wave. Now, in order for that to be done, 6 sets of 6 with that weight has to be a joke compared to the 10 sets of 10. Or I completely misunderstood the protocol. That's an option too. So what I suggest, 6 sets of 6, maybe you start off with 70% like in option number 1. Then 6 sets of 8, you'll probably end up doing roughly 65% of your 1 rep max. And then 6 sets of 10 will be around 60% of your 1 rep max. I find going from 36 to 48 to 60 reps total of a bench press variation is much more manageable than the other way where it's a huge exponential jump. Then the third option is, once again, a 3-week wave, 70, 75, and 80% of your 1 rep max. And you're just going to do 3 sets of max reps of each of those weights. So week 1, 70%. Max reps, you can use chains, you can use bands, you can use a specialty bar. The lifts are completely up to you. These are just the percentages that you'll be working with. So week 1, 70%, max reps, 3 sets. Rest, 3 to 4 minutes in between each. Then week 2, I think you know where this is going, 75%, max reps, 3 to 4 minutes rest. Maybe even 5 if you need. Week number 3, 80%, max reps, 3 to 5, 3 to 4 minutes, however much rest you think you need to make the most of these sets. So if speed work, you're no longer feeling you're getting the benefits from it, or maybe it's banging up your joints from locking out so hard, anything like that, that is a good alternative for speed upper. Speed lower, I'll get into that on another video.